AI Hairstyle App is a brand new AI tool that's taken the beauty tech world by storm. It promises to transform the way you think about virtual hairstyling and grooming. And if you're curious about what's really behind this app, stick around, because I'm diving into 7 crucial things you need to know. By the end of this, you'll have a clear understanding of what this software offers, and you'll know if it's worth your time or not. First off, you can try AI Hairstyle App for completely free with the link in the description below, so you can experience everything I'm talking about for yourself. But before you rush over, let me walk you through exactly what makes this app stand out. Now, the app is designed for anyone looking to experiment with new hairstyles without having to commit to an actual cut. Whether you're someone who loves to switch up your look or you're trying to find the best hairstyle for your face shape, AI Hairstyle App uses cutting-edge AI to give you a virtual try-on experience. But how good is it? Well, let's get into it. The first thing you'll notice is how realistic the virtual hairstyles look. The app uses deep learning algorithms to map your facial features and create a virtual model of your face. This allows you to try on any hairstyle you like in real time. Whether you're browsing through short pixie cuts, long waves, or something edgy, the app generates a pretty accurate preview of what you'd look like with each style. This is a game changer for anyone who's ever hesitated at the salon, wondering if a new haircut will suit them. Another standout feature of the AI Hairstyle app is how easy it is to use. You don't need any special skills to get started. Simply upload a picture of yourself, and the AI does the rest. It's a super simple process that makes it accessible to everyone, regardless of your tech savvy level. No complicated setups or need for tutorials. Just upload and you're ready to go. One of the most impressive things about AI Hairstyle app is its ability to recommend styles based on your preferences. The app learns your style over time, giving personalized suggestions that suit your personality, face shape, and lifestyle. For example, if you've been trying out more trendy, bold styles, the app will start suggesting those over time. It's kind of like having a personal stylist at your fingertips, powered by AI. Now let's talk about the range of styles. Whether you're into classic cuts or trendy avant-garde looks, the AI Hairstyle app offers a vast library of options. It even includes colors and accessories like hats and glasses to complete your virtual transformation. But the magic doesn't stop there. You can also adjust the length and texture of each hairstyle, which gives you more flexibility to see different variations before committing. In terms of customization, AI Hairstyle app has an intuitive interface that lets you tweak the hairstyle to match your exact preferences. You can adjust the hair color, texture, and even simulate how it will look under different lighting conditions. This feature is a huge plus for those who want to experiment with colors or subtle details like highlights and lowlights without visiting a salon. What's more, the app integrates seamlessly with social media platforms, allowing you to share your virtual looks with friends and followers. If you're torn between 2 hairstyles and want some feedback from your community, this is a fantastic feature that adds a social element to the app. The last thing I want to mention is the app's AI learning curve. While it's pretty easy to use from the start, the more you use it, the better it gets at predicting what styles will work best for you. Over time, the AI learns your preferences and gets more accurate with its suggestions. This isn't just an app you use once, it's one you'll keep coming back to. So, is it worth your time? If you've ever wished you could try on new hairstyles without the commitment, AI Hairstyle app is definitely worth exploring. It's an innovative way to experiment with your look and get personalized recommendations, all backed by AI. Plus, you can try it for free from the link below. If you're interested in other AI tools, I've got my top recommendations in the description below. After trying thousands of AI softwares, these are the ones I truly believe are worth your time. Check them out and see which ones can improve your daily life or business. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.